Next, we will demonstrate the back stitch. It is a widely used stitch. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 10 for the embroidery. It can be embroidered from left to right. You can also embroider from right to left. Either side can be used. We will start from the left side. Bring the needle through its end. Stitch forward 1 stitch. Continue to bring the needle through in the forward direction. Bring the needle down at the same position as the first stitch. Then we bring the needle through again. Bring the needle down again. Repeat the previous steps to finish stitching the lines. The smaller the stitch distance, the finer the lines will be. Keep the stitch tension consistent. This way, the lines will be smooth and even. Bring the needle down for the last stitch here. Compared to the stem stitch, back stitch creates tighter lines, suitable for stitching the outline of text or patterns. Let's take a look at the finished result.